Delhi's rooftops are changing. Across South, West, East and Central Delhi, thousands of homeowners, resident welfare associations, housing societies, shops and businesses are turning sunlight into electricity through rooftop solar, reducing electricity bills, creating long-term savings and building a greener Delhi. With the Government of India's PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana and the Delhi Solar Policy, going solar has become easier and rewarding. With rooftop solar, you too can use the sunlight falling on your roof to power fans, lights, refrigerator, washing machine, and even air conditioners while reducing on electricity bill. When solar is used right, your electricity bill could be zero. Yes, that's the promise of rooftop solar. Eligible consumers can avail subsidy benefits of up to 1.08 lakh rupees, including up to 78,000 rupees central government subsidy and up to 30,000 rupees Delhi government subsidy. You can also earn additional savings through generation-based incentives or GBI and through net metering. Surplus electricity exported to grid is purchased by BSES at the end of every financial year, increasing savings even further. That means your rooftop does not just generate electricity, it generates long-term savings. Installing rooftop solar is now easier than ever before. Easy solar loans and EMI options available through banks and financial institutions are making rooftop solar affordable for households and businesses alike. Most rooftop solar systems recover their cost within just 3 to 5 years, while the solar panels continue generating electricity for 25 years or more with minimal maintenance. A typical 1 kilowatt rooftop solar system can generate around 4 units of electricity every day. Depending on system size and usage patterns, consumers can reduce electricity bills by 50% or even more. Typically, around 100 square feet of shadow-free rooftop area is required for every 1 kilowatt of solar installation. Rooftop solar is also helping resident welfare associations and cooperative group housing societies reduce common area electricity expenses for lifts, pumps and lighting. Applying for residential rooftop solar is simple. Step 1. Register online on the PM Surya Ghar portal. Step 2. Choose an approved vendor. Step 3. Install the rooftop solar system and complete net metering formalities. And once the system is energized, your savings begin. Residential consumers with valid electricity connections and suitable rooftop space can easily apply with basic documents. Consumers should always ensure the use of DCR certified solar modules, approved inverters and installations compliant with DISCOM and MNRE safety standards. For any clarification related to rooftop solar, subsidy benefits, loans, EMIs, net metering or installation support, BSES consumers can connect through the following touchpoints. BSES teams are available to guide consumers through every step. The future of electricity is changing, and now your rooftop can become part of that future. A future powered by clean energy, by savings, by sunlight. Let the sun pay your bill. BSES, powering Delhi's solar future.